Make someone's dream come true. Buy a meal for another person. Or save a life. Today's video is about acts of kindness that make the world a better place. This guy is telling his blind cousin about everything that happens in the game. I've never seen a better sports commentator. Parents lost their 7-month-old son, but chose to donate his heart for a transplant patient. There are no words to describe the emotions of a mother hearing her baby's heart inside the chest of the girl who received the transplant.
It's your baby. It's so strong. It is.
A 12-year-old boy was really upset that he couldn't invite his friends over for a birthday celebration due to COVID. But look what the police have done when they learned about his situation from the boy's father.
Thank you, guys!
Wow!
How was that?
Special. Open the car first. Yes.
When someone stole this teacher's favorite sneakers, his students came together and bought him a new pair.
Are you serious? Okay.
Yes.
But anonymous, no more.
This is an emotional meeting between an 11-year-old girl and a man who donated bone marrow that saved her life. When the cyclist spotted that a dog was in danger, he chased the animal for nearly 1,000 feet, stopping the cars as he went. This is some blockbuster-worthy action. And finally, this dog was reunited with its owners.
I know. Just to keep her here, and because we really appreciate.
A teacher summoned a grandparent to school, only to tell her that she will be a kidney donor for her 8-year-old granddaughter. Imagine the woman's emotions. And here's the girl's reaction. And this lady invited a delivery driver in for dinner when he delivered a parcel to her home. A kind stranger paid all of these students' remaining college tuition, and he never admitted to it. How does this happen in real life?
You had a balance.
This girl always sat alone at school and did not talk to anyone. So her classmate decided to support her by offering to eat lunch together. A worker in a Brazilian fast food chain helping a disabled customer eat his food. Children lined up to say a heartfelt goodbye to their teacher when they learned that this is his last day working at their school.
I just lost my job, man.
Sorry,
It's okay, man. What do you do for work?
I'm disability. You are homeless?
Yeah.
I hope I have too much money. I give you. Which coffee you want?
Can you just give me like a regular black coffee?
This guy asked for a hot drink, and this man bought him a coffee and a muffin. The man's kindness paid off when he was rewarded with $1,000.
For you too. This is for you.
Oh my goodness.
It's $1,000 there for you.
Oh my God. This I want to give to my mom and help him to my mom. We give him some food. Thank you.
I love
Thank
you.
you.
The police saw a homeless man next to the store. Instead of chasing him away, they bought him a hot meal and a whole bag of groceries. And here is a Lamborghini parade. This is a gift for a little boy who dreamt of seeing a Lamborghini at least once in his lifetime. This elderly man often offers workers cold drinks while they're on shift.
Thank you very much. Thank you, partner. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Kids learn how to say happy birthday in sign language for the janitor's birthday.
Happy birthday, dear James. Happy birthday to you.
Due to a stroke, this man was never able to hug his grandkids. But his family thought of a solution, and finally,
Over there.
Come here.
You can give him.
this person jumped into a raging torrent to save a stranger. Thankfully, it ended well for both of them. And here, the entire village united to pull a car out of a ditch. Even elderly women and children got involved. What a team!
$5, you can have whatever inside of this. Would you like to give it a try?
I only have a credit card.
This woman agreed to buy a piggy bank for $5, but she did not expect it would contain a lot of money.
Oh, baby! $500 is in there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you just won it. You're amazing. $500 for you. Yes, you're amazing.
This is a graduate thanking his mother because she did everything to ensure that her son would graduate, even though she was never able to graduate herself because her parents passed away when she was 16. A teenager took all the Halloween candy, so this little girl shared some of her own candy, and the boy followed suit. On the 24th of May 2022, a school shooting took place in Texas. This is how the town greets one of the surviving teachers after his release from the hospital.
What's your dream?
My dream's already is being a barber. I don't have the greatest past.
This barber lost her barbershop to a tornado, and all of her hard work was destroyed. Thankfully, kind people donated $30,000 to help her restore the shop.
Since you charge 30, could I give you 30,000 for you to rebuild?
Pay for it. Thank you so much. I mean it.
The crowd is carrying a guy in a wheelchair closer to the stage so that he can enjoy the concert, all the while making sure that he is safe. A box fell out of a delivery truck and could have been lost if it weren't for this woman. Not only did she pick it up, she also sent it to the right address. This teacher surprised his student with a new guitar.
In there. That's the crack in the guitar from the guy stepping on it, right?
Yeah. So, this is actually your new guitar.
You're crapping me. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, man. Can I give you a hug?
Of course you can give me a hug. Thank you so much.
This young woman was helping her mother shave her head after chemotherapy, when suddenly, now that's real support from a loved one. A Polish woman made a few Ukrainian kids very happy with a backpack full of candy and toys. These police officers gave their sheriff special glasses designed for colorblind people. And this is him seeing the world's true colors for the first time.
Are they?
Oh my God.
a different world.
This kind man invented an awesome feeder for homeless dogs. And here is the first customer.
Fantastic, thank you.
A UPS courier helped a FedEx courier. No competition, just two decent people. During COVID quarantine, this trainer arranged fitness sessions for people in nearby houses. It's a shame I don't have a neighbor like this. A group of surfers made a dream come true for a disabled man in a wheelchair and made him ride the waves. This Chinese traffic warden couldn't leave his post despite the weather. But even this was an opportunity for kindness. This man was helping his wife shave her head when she was going through chemo, and decided to support her by shaving his own head too. A 4-year-old boy dressed up as a member of the Queen's Guard and was watching in awe as they marched past, when suddenly, it's all about making kids happy. And here is proof that the police are not just the keepers of peace, they also know how to find common ground with children. They would even help a student tie his tie. That's all for today. If you want more, subscribe to our channel and watch the most interesting videos. Best of luck!